Oh, snap. YouTube. Oh, let me get right. Alright, we right. YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here! Live and direct. And today I told you, got a good one in store for you. Today I will be showing you the Sharpest razor blade. Which razor brand has the sharpest blade? Before I even get started, we're gonna go ahead and say every razor is sharp off the rip. We're not even gonna have you thinking that a razor ain't gonna cut you. A straight razor, fresh out the pack, any brand will cut you, is sharp. Describing which razor is the sharpest amongst the sharp razors. The three brands that we will be doing today or discussing today is the Dorco, the Persona, and the Derby. These are the top three talked about razors. Today we're going to find out who has the sharpest out of the three. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. The way that we will determine who has the sharpest straight razor is by the three tests. One is going to be a skin test, two is going to be a cardboard test, and three is going to be a towel test. Now stick with me. Let's get it. Let's jump straight to it. Got the cardboard. Don't judge this either. You know what I mean? Like, it made sense when I grabbed it. But this is the cardboard. A rag test. For the skin, we're just gonna shave with a straight razor. So let's jump straight to it. First, the Dorco. For each test, we're gonna give one cut, the same direction, just straight through, one slice. If it goes through, it goes through. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's that cut right there. That's the Dorco. The Derby. Same pressure, one cut. And you can see it right there. Third, the Persona. Off straight cut, you got the Dorco, the Derby, the Persona. Now I wanted to just give one cut at the same pressure just to show that these razors are all sharp and they all can go through this cardboard if it's multiple attempts. But just to keep it fair and even, we're just gonna do one stroke. As you can see, it's hard to see the Dorco. You can kind of see the Derby, and then you can kind of see the Persona. So as of right now, I'm thinking that Derby and the Persona is ahead, about even race, and the Dorco fall a little bit short. Next, we're gonna do the rag test. Since we ended with the Persona, that's gonna be first on the list. Now with this test, I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna press straight down. The snide tug, and we do have a little tear. Just straight on down and to see if it will go through. We have a little tear, and that was a tear with the Persona. Back at it again with the derby. Let's see what the derby got. Nothing. Nothing. We're gonna just for preference, we're gonna go one more time. Nothing. Okay. Last but not least, the Dorco. Dang, nothing on the Dorco as well. And just because I did the derby twice, let me just see if going twice makes a difference. Nothing. One stroke each with each razor, and we're going to judge and see how much hair comes off with this one stroke. First on the list, we're gonna start with that Dorco. Now, you know I always have a teacher moment. We're gonna put some of that highlighter on my arm, because we ain't gonna just cut without using the proper precautions. As you can see, his hair right there. As you can see, it did pretty decent. Definitely did pretty decent. But as you can see, that's what we're looking like right there. Next on the list, back with the derby. Same formula. We're gonna put a little bit of that hot lather on it. Choose a little different spot so we can see a difference. And we're gonna go straight at it. As you can see, that's where the derby did. It's solid, but it missed a few hairs. Definitely missed a few hairs, but it was solid though. You can see it's pretty clean up in there. Just there's still a few little hairs right there. And last but not least, definitely not least, the Persona. Completely different spot. This is the Persona. Just had to show how much hair came off. Wow. This is the Persona. That jug is actually like super clean for a 1 to 2 stroke action without even pulling the skin. So yeah, there you got it. That was the last test. With the 3 tests, actually kind of surprised me because I thought it would be somewhat in a different order. Off of the test, the Persona blade was the best. I'm gonna say that off the rip. The Persona blade was the best based on the test. But I was surprised at the Dorco, because the Dorco actually came in second. I was thinking the Derby Premium would have been second. The Dorco, it held its own. I said all this to say that all these brands are good brands. If you're a beginner, I would recommend that you start off with probably the Derby. All these razors are sharp in general. If you're a professional and you want that line crisp, super sharp, FadeMasterLos telling you, go with the Personas. I got the link down below. I'm gonna save you a little time. And there you have it. Which company has the sharpest razor blade? I just showed it to you. The Personas. I appreciate you for watching. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Let's go.